you, Amy, for the introduction. I'm happy to be here, sir, after how many years? 20? 28? 29 years. I'm happy to be back in school today. To the chief principal, former principal, teachers, students, and alumni, good afternoon. I'm happy to stand before you. Before I start, I came a paramedic team from Peneza Hospital. So be aware that they are here today for any emergency because they are proudly associated with this school. I'm also a co-director of Peneza Hospital. So this is the medical team. Maybe Dr. Just say hello, but they are here. If you have any medical emergency, you can rush now. Not that when we leave now, you start telling, Madam, I have headache, I have toothache, etc. It is old girl.
So thank you very much, Chief Principal, guests, and alumni. We welcome you by the ambulance for any medical attention and checkup. For more information as per regards to your medical status, feel free to reach out to us. Welcome all, even beyond here at the hospital level. Thank you all.
Thank you, Dr. Julius. She's accompanied by the nurses and the ambulance driver. Thank you. So I'll go straight to my speech. My speech today is titled Career Beyond the Headline. Science need more girls like you. So the gates in 1998 wearing the same navy blue uniform you have now. Holding one thing that fell to I left with a question, what next? And the courage to follow it. The pen took me to the university where I studied a degree in English. After that, I moved into the newsroom as a sub-editor with the Kenya Times. From Kenya Times, what I would do, I would always ensure that the news was okay. I moved to Nation Media Group as the editor in charge of Southern Africa region. I would handle over 10 countries at the same time. Apart from writing stories, an editor means you decide what the country or the world see. The reporters would go to the field, look for the news, then as an editor, you come news and decide what should be the headline, what should go on page 1, what should link on the primetime news. So that was my job. That's why I was not a face you always. Tanzania to the Citizen as a features editor and managing editor. Then from Tanzania I moved to West Africa as the editor news. Then from there my journey took me to North America as the Anglophone editor for Farm Radio International. But from then you can see the world. I learned that a pen that you are holding now can take you further than a passport. So in the newsroom I started asking myself one question. It is published, and who make sure that maybe a farmer or a policy maker uses this research? And if it is an invention, what makes the funder keep funding? I'm a senior communication officer and science communication specialist at the International Center for Insect Physiology and Ecology. So at that institution, we support One Health. That is animal health, plant health, human health. Thank you so much. So you know, scientists would speak complex data and complex scientific lingo developments go on there. But to ensure that a farmer in Benin, in Cotonou in Benin, or Lomé in Togo, in Aramaya in Ethiopia, understand what is being done in the research labs. That is me, a girl from Oyugio Gango, translating this science into a simple. So I am the bridge, and that is why I am happy to be here today. But I'm not here just to talk about myself. You've heard about the uniform, and the world. While working, I also decided to further my studies, and that's how I did masters in communication studies. So, in where I'm at, science need more girls, just like you, sitting there before me. Science needs a girl as storytellers, the science creator. That's me. If the world doesn't understand science, it just dies in the lab or in the research field. And science need girls as mappers, the geospatial specialist to see drought even before it occurs. Science need girls as coders, the data scientists, predicting the next outbreak even before it starts. And science need girls as humanitarians, humanitarian entomologists, using insects to fight hunger across the globe. As food innovators, the researcher on edible insect farming, turning crickets into protein for income. Science need girls as soil doctors, healing our land for the future generation. And science need girls as insect experts, the agricultural entomologists, making sure that farmers and yields are protected from insects and insects are made useful. And science need girls as engineers, the building tools from labs, ideas. And science need girls as money movers, the grants and partnership officers, bringing millions home for Kenyan research or African research, if you like it. In 1998, none of these careers were on our career board. In 2026, interestingly, they are still open. As I move into the labs across the world, I see many faces of men, because they say girls are either not applying or there are few girls in STEM. And I'm here to challenge you today. Don't chase the job everyone claps for. Fill the job science is waiting for a girl like you to take. Be the Kenyan first climate geospatial specialist who saves the country. Before you sleep tonight, girls, I want you to do two things. I heard you had a head of career. I want you to do this for me. Write one problem you care about, whether it is on climate, health, bees, soil, etc. Then write one job title from the list. Invent it if you must, and start today, because science needs more girls like you. A girl will tell the story. A girl will make sure the story is used. And a girl show us where to go next. And the international research institutions are waiting for you. Keep your pen, keep your question, keep the courage. The headlines will catch up with you. Asante sana. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup.